the birth of Jesus Christ. So Mary, the Holy Spirit put the baby on Mary's tummy. And he has a partner named Joseph. And Joseph don't want Mary to be ashamed because he has a baby before he is pregnant before she is pregnant before they married. So Joseph planned Mary to be divorced, but the angel of God appeared on his dream. He said, "Joseph, don't divorce Mary because the Holy Spirit put it on Mary's tummy, and you'll name him Jesus Christ because he will save the people." So Joseph woke up from his dream, and that's all.